The Samsung Galaxy S25 series is creating a lot of buzz as its launch nears, and one model that stands out is the Galaxy S25 Slim. This sleek new addition to the Galaxy lineup is set to be released, but with an interesting twist. It's not going to be available everywhere. Samsung has chosen to launch the Galaxy S25 Slim in only 39 countries worldwide. While this might be exciting for those lucky enough to be in these regions, it raises the question: why are some of Samsung's biggest markets being left out? By the way, if you haven't reserved the Galaxy S25 yet, click the link in the description to reserve now and get a chance to win $50 Samsung credit, up to $1,250 additional savings, and a chance to win $5,000 Samsung credit. Now back to the Galaxy S25 Slim. The 39 countries selected for the launch include regions like Afghanistan, Australia, Brazil, France, India, Israel, Malaysia, Mexico, Nigeria, Pakistan, Poland, Russia, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, South Africa, Thailand, Turkey, United Kingdom, and Vietnam. But notably absent from this list are major markets such as the United States and South Korea. This unexpected move has left many wondering why Samsung would exclude such important regions, especially when they have been loyal supporters of Samsung's Galaxy series for years. One possible reason for this selective release could be a strategy to test how well the Galaxy S25 Slim performs in these specific markets before deciding to expand the launch to other countries. By limiting the availability, Samsung may be trying to create a sense of exclusivity, which could drive demand and excitement for the device. After all, creating anticipation is a tactic that has worked for many other tech companies in the past. However, this strategy also carries risks. By excluding certain regions, Samsung may alienate potential customers who feel left out, which could drive them toward other brands. Another interesting aspect of the Galaxy S25 Slim is the timing of its release. It's been reported that the device may not debut at the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event, as is typically the case with Samsung's major launches. Instead, it could arrive in the market later in the year, possibly in May or June. This delayed release is further fueling the mystery surrounding the device, with many potential buyers wondering when they will finally be able to get their hands on it. For those lucky enough to be in one of the 39 countries where the Galaxy S25 Slim will be available, there's plenty to look forward to. The Galaxy S25 Slim is expected to feature the same high-end performance that Samsung is known for, but in a more compact and potentially more affordable package. This could make it a perfect choice for consumers who want a powerful device without the bulk or the premium price tag typically associated with flagship models. With this combination of features, the Galaxy S25 Slim could become a popular choice for users looking for the best of both worlds. The limited release could have significant implications for Samsung's position in the global market. While it may generate excitement and demand in the selected regions, there's a possibility that it could frustrate loyal customers in regions that are left out of the launch. With such a competitive market, it's essential for Samsung to consider how this decision will impact customer loyalty. By excluding major markets, Samsung risks losing ground to competitors who are more than happy to meet the needs of customers who may feel ignored. This isn't the first time a tech company has used a selective release strategy. Other companies have tested products in specific regions before going global, but in a market as competitive as the smartphone industry, such a move requires careful consideration. Samsung's approach with the Galaxy S25 Slim may work in their favor, but only time will tell. As the launch date approaches, excitement is building around the Galaxy S25 Slim. For those who will be able to get the device, it's an opportunity to experience Samsung's latest innovation. But for others, it's a waiting game. Will the Galaxy S25 Slim live up to the high expectations set by its predecessors? Only time will tell. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Are you curious about how slim a smartphone can get while still packing in all the powerful features we love? Well, Samsung has something exciting in the works for 2025 with the Galaxy S25 series, and one model in particular is turning heads: the Galaxy S25 Slim. This sleek device is expected to launch alongside the base Galaxy S25, the Galaxy S25 Plus, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, possibly at the Unpacked event coming up or in the following months. So what makes the Galaxy S25 Slim stand out from the crowd? The Galaxy S25 Slim's defining feature is its ultra-thin design. In fact, it's the thinnest in the S25 lineup, with a profile measuring just 6.4 millimeters. To put that in perspective, the regular Galaxy S25 is expected to be slightly thicker at 7.2 millimeters, while the Galaxy S25 Plus is a touch thicker, still at 7.3 millimeters. For those seeking even more premium features, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be the thickest at 8.2 millimeters. Yet, despite these variations, the Galaxy S25 Slim clearly stands out, offering a remarkable combination of style and practicality. However, while the Galaxy S25 Slim is impressively slim, it won't claim the title of the thinnest Samsung phone ever. That honor still belongs to the Galaxy 8, which was released back in 2015 and measured just 5.7 millimeters. But in the context of today's smartphone designs, the Galaxy S25 Slim is a striking example of how far we've come, balancing a slim profile with the power and performance users expect. If you're wondering how the Galaxy S25 Slim stacks up against Samsung's foldable devices, it still manages to hold its own. Take the Galaxy Z Fold 6, for example, which measures just 5.6 millimeters when unfolded. However, once it's folded, it becomes significantly thicker at 12.1 millimeters. Similarly, the Galaxy Z Flip 6, known for its compact design, measures 6.9 millimeters when unfolded. So, while the Galaxy S25 Slim may not be as thin as some foldables, when folded, it offers a more traditional ultra-slim design that is perfect for users who prefer a regular smartphone without the extra bulk of a foldable. Samsung is clearly pushing the envelope with its Galaxy S25 series, and the Slim model plays a big role in that. It isn't about breaking records for the thinnest phone, but about creating a device that offers excellent portability, a premium design, and reliable performance. The Galaxy S25 Slim is a perfect fit for those who prioritize aesthetics, portability, and a sleek, lightweight phone without compromising on essential features. In addition to the Galaxy S25 Slim, the S25 series will offer a range of options for different user needs. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will cater to those who want top-tier performance, cutting-edge technology, and larger displays, while the base and Plus models provide a great balance of power and affordability. But for those who want something that's both functional and stylish, the Galaxy S25 Slim is sure to be a standout choice. As technology continues to evolve, it's clear that consumers still want phones that are thinner, lighter, and easier to carry without sacrificing performance. The Galaxy S25 Slim delivers on this front, offering a sleek, modern device that fits perfectly in your hand and in your pocket, all while keeping up with the demands of today's smartphone users. Whether you're looking for a phone that's easy to handle, lightweight, or simply gorgeous, the Galaxy S25 Slim is sure to impress. Samsung's decision to release the Galaxy S25 Slim shows that even in a world where smartphones are constantly evolving, there's still room for innovation when it comes to design. It may not set any records for thinness, but it's certainly one of the most stylish and portable smartphones Samsung has created in recent years. The Galaxy S25 Slim will likely be a top choice for anyone looking to upgrade their phone in 2025. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. What makes the Galaxy S25 Ultra the talk of the town? With Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked 2025 event right around the corner, the buzz surrounding the upcoming release is only growing louder. Among the many exciting features Samsung is set to reveal, the enhanced sketch-to-image AI tool is certainly stealing the spotlight. First introduced in the previous Galaxy S series, sketch-to-image allowed users to turn basic sketches into detailed images using the S Pen or their fingers. But Samsung is taking this feature to the next level with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This time, the tool isn't just about drawing.